Today we're in the woods doing some inventive gardening because, like everybody else in the planet, we're all suffering from Corona Mona. And instead of running to the store and getting things that we might normally have purchased, which knowing us, we probably wouldn't have done it anyway, but we are in what we're affectionately calling the candy cane forest, which is basically just a stand of saplings that we have. And we are cutting them down and trimming them up, and they're going to be a little garden teepee because it's springtime, and this is the time where everybody can start planting, or at least most of the country can start planting some of their cooler weather vegetables and things that trellis, such as snap peas and some other things later in the season, like pole beans. So we've been cutting down these saplings and cutting off the extra limbs to basically make a straight pole. This one's far too tall, so we've been trying to pick the extra tall ones and then just basically cutting them in half. It's very handy to have loppers like I just used and pruners, because if not, you're gonna have to somehow get all these extra branches off by hand. But your finished product, generally, and I'm only grabbing 3 at a time because it's probably all I can really handle, my little teepee will have more legs to it. But get some string or yarn, whatever it is that you have, and you're gonna put these, tie this at the top, secure it, and each leg of your teepee will end up having like about 3 of whatever it is that you're gonna trellis up this, and it'll have a nice way for it to grow up, get good airflow, and you'll be able to actually have quite a number of plants per a fairly small square footage area. So we've got our saplings cut, and now we're fixing to tie the tops to get them into the configuration of basically like a little teepee. I'm just cutting a length of rope. Kind of loop it off 3 of the 4, and the 4th one stays separate. And then you'll loop it around a couple times. Is this any kind of specific knot or just loops?
This is the loops.
This is just loops.
They left that, cut that one kind of short. I'll bring it in through here and back on itself.
I'm going to stand it up in just a second. So there they are, all set up in my garden, ready to go. And we'll get these things planted here in another day or 2 and watch the garden grow. Remember, you are the gold.